Committing data from Windshuttle into Excel memory will be step one in order to begin analyzing data and building dynamic reports. Click on the tab titled Commit Data and start here. On this worksheet are the steps to walk you through the process of committing Windshuttle data into Excel memory using BizInsight Desktop Edition. We'll step through the process together now. And just remember, you can refer to this Commit Data tab if you have any future questions. For this exercise, we have included imported data on the tab labeled Sales Data. Let's click on Sales Data tab and begin the data commitment process. First, you must select the entire data set. Next, from the BizInsight Desktop Edition ribbon, click on the Select Data button. Next, you should see your Select Data window should open asking you, where is your data? For today, we'll be using the Select a Range of Cells. Click in the Select a Range field. If you're not seeing the entire range you just selected from your worksheet, go ahead and click on the grid box here on the far right-hand side. This will bring us right back out to our data, where we can then, of course, verify that we have selected all of our data. And click OK. Now let's add a name to the data under the Name Your Selection field. This is how you'll identify your data set, and we'll refer to it when we're creating lists and/or functions. Once you've added the name to your data set, let's click Next. A data validation menu will appear, the Select Your Column format. The menu lists the columns identified in your data table and makes an evaluation of the type of data in each column. Please review the identified data types and make corrections as needed. Each data type can be modified via a drop-down selection list from the Format column. You'll also notice a checkbox for checking errors in data. This is an optional step that would allow BizInsight Desktop Edition to scan data for common Excel errors. We can skip this step for now, as we have already checked the data for errors. Let's click Next. You should see a confirmation pop-up window that's verifying that the sales data, your new data set, has been successfully loaded into Excel memory. To verify where your data is being stored, come back up here into your BizInsight Desktop Edition ribbon and click on View Data. There's our sales data. You click on it. Of course, it will show you a quick preview of the data that's available.